This segment of Coast Life is sponsored by Kids Catch.
Well, it's a great day to have not really jokes, but we're going to use our joke jar for some riddles today. Maybe test the old noodle a little bit.
That's right. Well, we've been talking about working your brain over the last couple of days. I think especially it's a good warm up to get your brain thinking for that back to school session. So we're going to toss things over to our field correspondent, Kendall Gordon, who's out there asking you to solve some riddles for today's joke jar.
It's Monday, and that can only mean one thing. It is time for our joke jar, sponsored by Kids Catch. And you remember last week we decided to shake things up a little bit. You know, I didn't tell you guys jokes around the boardwalk. I actually told you guys some riddles, and I think I'm going to do that same thing again today, because you know at Kids Catch they offer brain simulation games and things that really get your gears turning. So I'm going to get your gears turning today with some riddles. What gets more wet the more it dries? Want the answer? No? You can get it?
No.
Ready? I think I'm going to tell you. You ready? It's a towel. An electric train is heading east. Which way does the smoke blow?
It's gonna blow west.
Yeah, you think so? Is that your final answer?
I don't know which way the wind's blowing.
The final answer is that electric trains don't produce any smoke. It's electric. Gotcha. What has legs but cannot walk?
The leg is not mine.
You ready for this? It's a table.
The table, yeah, that's true.
Yeah. When does today come before yesterday? It's a tricky one.
When does today? I don't know, tomorrow.
I love that answer, but it's actually in the dictionary. What has a face and two hands, but no arms or legs? It's a tricky one, I know.
I'm bad for that.
Ready?
Yeah.
It's a clock.
That's true.
All right, you should be able to get this one. I have confidence in you. You ready?
Okay.
If you drop me, I'm sure to crack, but give me a smile and I'll always smile back. What am I?
A sunny side up egg.
Yeah, that's a good answer. So close, but it's actually a mirror. Yeah. Okay, you guys aren't doing too bad with the riddles, but I did stump a few of you, and I'm gonna stump a few of you again next week. We're gonna keep doing these riddles. Let's see if Leah and Charlie can get this one. Hey guys, back in studio, what do you think of this? You ready? I'm tall when I'm young, and I'm short when I'm old. What am I?
I'm going to try to answer this. I know, Leah, you guessed this right off the jump.
I did.
I didn't know what the riddle was until we just heard it there from Kendall. The only thing I could think of is a match.
So close. Same thing. It's a candle.
Oh, okay. But burns down.
That
makes sense to me.
Yep, makes sense to me too. That was a good one, Kendall. Getting our brains working. I like the riddle joke jar. That's fun.
Yeah, they're fun.
Yeah, it works your brain just a little bit. But we're gonna work your brain a little more. We've got some more Coast Life, some more fun, some more stories, some more community to celebrate when we get back.